Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to perfectly and evenly space elements in Canva. Whether you're putting together a sleek presentation, a social media graphic, or just trying to get things looking tidy and polished, knowing how to space your elements evenly is a huge time saver, and it can really take your designs to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use Canva's built-in alignment tools like a pro, so let's jump right in. First up, head over to Canva. You can use either the free or paid version for this. The process is exactly the same. Once you're in, look towards the top right and click the Create a Design button. For this demo, let's use a custom size so we have total control over our workspace. Go ahead and select Custom Size and set it to 100 by 50 pixels. You could choose a larger size if you'd like, but something small lets us really focus in on just the elements we're working with. Then hit Create New Design, and Canva will open up a blank canvas for you to work on. Now we're going to add the elements that we want to space evenly. For this example, let's use lines, but you can use any element you like: shapes, text, photos, anything. On the left-hand toolbar, search for Line under Elements. Click to add one to your canvas. Here's a quick tip to keep your spacing process smooth. Let's duplicate this line a few times so we have something to work with. The easiest way, simply select the line, then press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Each time you press that shortcut, Canva creates a duplicate of your selected element, making things super quick and efficient. Repeat this a couple of times until you've got at least 3 lines on your canvas. The reason we're using 3 or more is that Canva's alignment and spacing tools work best when you've got multiple elements. 2 is good, but 3 is really where you start to see that space evenly magic in action. Alright, now comes the key part. Click and drag to select all of your duplicated elements. You should see a little selection box around all your lines. If you accidentally miss one, don't worry, just hold down Shift and click the ones you didn't catch the first time. With your lines selected, look towards the top menu bar. You'll see an option labeled Position. Go ahead and click on that. Here, where things get really powerful. There are 3 options you'll see: horizontal, vertical, and tidy up. Horizontal spaces out your elements evenly across the width of your canvas, which is perfect if you're making, say, a row of menu buttons or photo thumbnails. Vertical will do the same but from top to bottom, ideal for lists or vertical menus. And tidy up is Canva's way of saying, let me line everything up perfectly for you. It arranges and evens out the spacing both horizontally and vertically, so everything looks neat and super professional. Try clicking each so you can see what they do. There's no harm in experimenting for a moment. If things don't line up right the first time, remember, you can always undo with Ctrl+Z and try again. The key thing here is that these tools save you from having to eyeball or guess those distances. Canva handles all the math for you, and your designs will look consistent every time. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've tried this out, you'll find yourself using it all the time. Evenly spaced elements just make your designs so much more professional and pleasing to look at. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to leave a like and drop a comment below if you have any tricky Canva questions or tips to share. I love hearing your ideas and helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Canva tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.